Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Inspire English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Today's episode is all about something you'll use every single day: real-life, daily English conversations.
Yes, we're going to teach you the most important conversations for everyday life. Greetings, shopping, eating out, asking for help, making small talk, and more.
And we won't just explain them. We'll actually act out real conversations so you can listen, repeat, and learn naturally.
Let's start with the basics: greetings and introductions, the most used conversation in the world. Here's a natural example. Listen first.
Conversation 1. Greeting someone new.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing well. I'm Emily, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here?
Yeah, I live nearby. What about you?
This is simple, friendly, and real. People use it everywhere.
And you don't need perfect grammar, just confidence.
Conversation 2. Natural small talk.
Hey, David, how was your weekend?
It was nice. I visited my family and relaxed. How about you?
Pretty good. I went hiking with some friends.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
A small mountain outside the city. The view was amazing.
See? Simple, natural.
And it helps build confidence.
So, David, what's your day like?
Well, I usually wake up around 7. I make coffee, answer emails, then start work around 9.
Sounds productive. Do you take breaks?
Yeah, I take a short walk at lunch. It helps clear my mind.
That's a good habit.
Talking about routines is great practice for fluency.
And people love asking, how's your day going?
Now let's do a super practical one: ordering coffee.
Hi there. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can you add 1 extra shot of espresso?
No problem. Anything else?
That's it. How much?
It's $4.50.
Here you go. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You can use this exact conversation anywhere in the world.
Coffee shops, restaurants, hotels, it works everywhere.
A lot of learners feel shy asking for help, but these phrases make it easy.
Conversation 5. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station. Is it close?
Yes, it's about a 5-minute walk. Go straight, turn left at the corner, and you'll see it.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Useful, simple, and polite. Memorize it. You'll use this one often.
Conversation 6. Shopping.
Hi, do you have the shirt in a medium?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Every student should know this conversation. It makes shopping easier and stress-free. Conversation 7. At the pharmacy.
Hi, excuse me. Do you have anything for a headache?
Yes, we do. Do you want pills or something more natural?
Just something simple, please. Maybe pills.
No problem. Here's a popular one. Take 1 tablet every 6 hours.
Great. Thank you. How much is it?
It's $7.50.
Perfect. I'll take it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Conversation 8. Making an appointment.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for tomorrow.
Sure. What time works best for you?
Anytime in the afternoon.
Let me check. We have openings at 2:30 and 4:15.
I'll take the 2:30 slot.
Great. What's your name, please?
Emily Parker.
All right. You're all set for 2:30 tomorrow.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Conversation 9. At the bus stop.
Hi, excuse me. Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does. It's about 10 stops from here.
Great. Do you know when the next bus arrives?
In about 5 minutes. They usually come every 15 minutes.
That's good. And how much is the fare?
It's $2.50. You can pay with cash or a card.
Awesome. Thank you for the information.
No problem. Safe travels.
Conversation 10. Ending nicely.
Ending a conversation is as important as starting one.
All right, Emily. I should get going.
No problem. It was great talking to you.
Yeah, let's catch up later.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too.
Before we finish, remember, these daily conversations are the foundation of real English.
You don't need big, complicated vocabulary. You need simple, natural sentences used with confidence.
Repeat these conversations. Practice a little every day.
And soon, English won't feel like a school subject. It will feel like part of your life.
Daily routines are the foundation of real-life conversations. You talk about your day at work, school, dates, meetings, or when making small talk.
And the best part? You don't need advanced English. Simple sentences work perfectly.
So relax, listen, and repeat. Let's begin. Let's start with a simple conversation. Listen to the whole dialogue first. Hey, David, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 6:30. I make coffee, read the news, and then get ready for work. What about you?
I wake up a bit later, around 7:30. I take a quick shower, make breakfast, and check my messages.
Sounds like a nice morning.
Yeah, I try to keep it simple and calm.
Now let's break it down.
I usually wake up around. This is a perfect sentence for daily routines. Let's learn useful daily routine verbs.
We'll say them slowly. Repeat after us.
Wake up.
Get up.
Brush my teeth.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Have breakfast.
Go to work.
Start work.
Finish work.
Come home.
Make dinner.
Relax.
Go to bed. These are the building blocks of your English.
Let's try them in sentences.
I brush my teeth after breakfast. I take a shower in the morning. I go to bed around 11.
Now let's do a fun role play.
David, you look tired today. Busy morning?
Oh, yes. I woke up late, skipped breakfast, rushed to the office, and had 3 meetings before lunch.
Wow, that's a lot.
What about you? You seem calm.
I had a relaxed morning. I woke up early, meditated, made coffee, and read for 20 minutes. It felt amazing.
I need mornings like that.
Let's repeat some key sentences.
I woke up late.
I had a relaxed morning.
I rushed to the office.
I read for 20 minutes.
Evening routines are great for conversation, too.
So, what do you usually do after work?
I go to the gym 3 times a week. On other days, I cook dinner and watch a show. How about you?
I like to walk in the park, have dinner with my family, and sometimes listen to a podcast.
A very healthy routine.
Let's practice. Repeat. I go to the gym after work. I cook dinner in the evening. I watch the show before bed.
Now, listen to Emily tell a story about her typical day.
Every day, I wake up at 7:30. I stretch a little, take a shower, and make a cup of coffee. After that, I check my emails and plan my tasks for the day. Around 9 o'clock, I start work. I usually have meetings in the morning and creative tasks in the afternoon. In the evening, I cook dinner, relax on the sofa, and read a book before bed.
Now, I'll retell the story in shorter sentences. Repeat after me. She wakes up at 7:30. She stretches and takes a shower. She checks her emails. She starts work at 9 o'clock. She cooks dinner in the evening. She reads a book before bed.
Now it's your turn. We'll guide you to create your routine in English.
We'll ask questions. Pause the podcast and answer. What time do you wake up? Do you eat breakfast? What do you do in the morning? What time do you start work or school? What do you do after work? What time do you go to bed?
Great job! Speaking out loud is the key to fluency.
Emily, is your weekend routine different from your weekday routine?
Oh, yes. On weekends, I wake up later, cook a big breakfast, and go out with friends. What about you?
Weekends are my recovery days. I sleep in, clean my place, visit my family, and sometimes watch a movie.
Sounds peaceful.
It is. And it's great English practice to talk about the difference between weekdays and weekends.
Repeat. On weekends, I wake up later. I spend time with my family. I relax at home.
Remember this. Talking about your daily routine is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking.
Because you repeat it every day, it becomes automatic.
And your confidence grows naturally.
Perfection is not the goal. Consistency is.
We hope you learned new vocabulary and gained confidence speaking about your daily routine.
Practice your own routine every day and listen again anytime.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Inspire English podcast for more real conversations and daily English practice.
See you next time.